Well, we got new llamas at the farm. Oh, pretty, pretty. Look at that neck. You've been groomed, it looks like. They sure have. Look. You have a big head. And look at the grooming on the legs. Will you let anybody touch you? Huh? And there's a little one over there. Look how they're groomed. And they're in with the donkeys.
You're not going to eat that.
Hello, pretty. You a boy or a girl? Here comes the other one. Look at that. That must be the... Oh, be quiet.
Now this is a real problem here.
What? You are pretty. Can we pet you? No.